Y'all, this is the best way to cook char-grilled oysters, my absolute favorite. Get you a small sack of oysters from your favorite seafood market and get to shucking them, y'all. In your first saucepan, you're just gonna melt down 1 stick of butter. In your second saucepan, you're gonna melt down 2 sticks of butter to make you a garlic butter sauce. Add about 2 cloves of minced garlic. Hit it with a little bit of black pepper. And add some lemon juice. We're gonna put that nice, just regular butter, a little bit over each of the oysters before we put them on our grill for char grilling. All right, y'all, got our butter on there. We got our smoker grill heated up to 500 degrees. We're gonna make it hot, y'all. Put those oysters on the grill and let them cook for 1 minute before you add your garlic butter sauce. Here we go, y'all. All right, we got our garlic butter sauce. Using your turkey baster, add on that garlic butter sauce, but make sure to note that fire is coming. Fire! After you add that butter, close it up and cook for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, y'all, you're gonna open them back up. Look at them. We're gonna add some Parmesan cheese. Just add a sprinkle on the top. Woo! It's gonna be so good. That guy is already ready to go. After 1 or 2 minutes, y'all, open them back up. That cheese has melted. And they're ready. You see how they're curling up like that? It's time to take them off. Char-grilled oysters, y'all. This is my favorite way to cook oysters. Look at those juicy, bubbling, cheesy oysters, y'all. Char-grilled oysters. Char-grilled oysters today, y'all. Oh my gosh, my favorite way to cook them. Ready for this? I love oysters. If you don't like them raw, try them char-grilled. This is the best recipe for it.